Before you replace the freezer drawer gasket on this Samsung refrigerator, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and, starting at a corner, pull the old gasket free of the liner and slide it over the drawer front to remove. Before you install the new drawer gasket, you may need to lay it out on a flat, sturdy surface for up to 24 hours to help the gasket regain its original form. Now slide it over the drawer front, then insert the new gasket into the channel on the liner and press firmly. Keep in mind, you can use a hair dryer set on low to help remove any kinks from the material to ensure that the freezer drawer seals properly. With the new gasket installed, plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.